Welcome to Advanced Property Search, your powerful tool for finding exactly what your clients need. Let me show you step by step how to use our advanced search functionality with filters, map view, and real-time notifications. We'll start from your property dashboard. First, let's go to My Properties. You'll see your properties displayed in grid view by default. Notice the View toggle buttons here. You can switch between grid and map views. For advanced search with location-based filtering, we'll use the Map View. Click the Map View button here. The interface switches to show an interactive map with all your properties plotted. This is where the real power begins. You can see properties geographically and filter by location precisely. Now, let's access the filters. Click the Filter button here in the Map View. You'll see a comprehensive filter panel open. Here, you can filter by property type, price range, bedrooms, bathrooms, location, and many more parameters. These filters work in real time as you adjust them. This is the key feature, setting your client's preferred location. Click on the map where your client wants to be located. A pin appears, marking their desired area. This pin becomes the center point for finding nearby properties. The system will automatically calculate distances and show you the closest matches. Once you've set the client pin location, watch what happens. The system automatically calculates distances and displays the top 10 nearest properties in this sidebar table. Each property shows its distance from your client's pin, along with key details like price, bedrooms, and property type. All these results respect your active filters. Found properties your client might like? Here's how to share them. Select the properties you want to compare, then click the Compare button. This opens our property comparison page where you can see side-by-side details of multiple properties, perfect for helping clients make informed decisions. But what if you don't find matching properties in your own listings? No problem. Go to Browse Properties to search your entire broker network. Here, you can see shared listings from other verified brokers. Use the same advanced filters and map view to find properties that match your client's preferences across the entire network. Here's a time saver. Save your search criteria. After setting up your filters and location, click Save Search. The system will monitor for new properties matching your criteria and send you real-time notifications. Never miss a perfect match for your clients again. That's Advanced Property Search, geospatial search with interactive maps, customizable filters, saved searches, and real-time notifications. Find exactly what your clients need, whether in your own listings or across your entire broker network. Ready to see how property management works? Let's explore that next.